So as you can see, our browser is empty, it's zero balance. Okay, so we will find transaction first. Okay, Bitcoin live transactions, and this is the official website of blockchain. Okay, blockchain explorer, just click on it and we will find the transaction near 0.07 BTC. We can do any transaction under the 0.07 BTC, any transaction, but it must be under the 0.07 BTC. Maximum limit is 0.07 BTC. Okay, I guess that's so big. Yeah, that's so small. We cannot do this. I mean, we can do this, but I'm not gonna do. Yeah, 200. It's near 2000. Okay, it's 0.03, so we can do this transaction in the wallet. Okay, so I'm scrolling up and down because of the watermark that's showing in the screen, the number mark. Okay, so this is the wallet. Right click, go to inspect, wait for a few seconds and click to console, and there's some warning, you must need to read that. Okay, this browser features intended for developers mode. Okay, if someone told you copy paste something here, it is scam and give them access to your money. So make sure you make a new blockchain wallet or which has something zero balance. Okay, you can use any other wallet if you wanted, but I suggest you to use a zero balance wallet. Okay, so this is my own code, so I don't need to worry about this. Okay, clear everything from here. After you read this and understand everything, then paste your script, right click, select all, right click once again, copy your script and just minimize it or close it, whatever you want it to, and paste your script here. Press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and here's the transaction. We just need a hash ID, copy to clipboard. Okay, and then we're gonna paste this hash ID here. Click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yes, I want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK and close everything from here. Once again, click here and refresh balances to see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so let me show you the date, today's date. Okay, it's Monday, 8th June 2026. I'm scrolling up and down because of the watermark that's showing on the screen, the WhatsApp number. Okay, and this is the only real channel that I own. Another all channels are fake. I uploaded near 100 videos there, and it has 10k subs on YouTube. Another all channels are fake. They took my videos, edit them, and upload their channel to scam innocent people. So be aware from that. Okay. Yeah, that's why I'm showing my channel and put my number on the screen, the WhatsApp number, and this is the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but let's see. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Let's see. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it's not confirmed, but it will confirm very soon. Okay, so don't be worried about anything. Okay, so if you want to subscribe this channel, you can subscribe for more related videos. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. See you in the next one.